In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable iCloud backup over cellular data. This is a handy feature if you're often on the move and need your files backed up without relying solely on Wi-Fi. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make this feature work best for you. First, let's begin by heading over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Just look for that familiar grey icon with gears on it. It's probably one of the most used apps on your device, serving as the main hub for adjusting how your iPhone behaves. Once you're in the settings, things can sometimes get a bit overwhelming with all the options available, so just focus on the main menu for now. Next, scroll down a bit until you find either the cellular or mobile data option, depending on your region and language settings. Tapping on this will take you into a space where you can manage all your mobile data preferences. This area is key for ensuring you're using your data plan in the way that suits you best, so it's worth taking a few seconds to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Once you're in the cellular or mobile data settings, scroll down the list until you see iCloud Drive. This is where you have the power to control whether your iCloud can use cellular data to perform backups. You'll notice various apps listed here, but for today's goal, iCloud Drive is your destination. Now look for that toggle switch next to iCloud Drive. If you flip it on, you're allowing your device to back up your data even when you're not on Wi-Fi. This can be a real lifesaver if you're frequently outside Wi-Fi range but still want to ensure your pictures, documents and other important content are safely backed up. Conversely, if data charges are a concern, or if you're on a limited data plan, you might prefer to leave this toggle off to restrict backups to Wi-Fi only. This is a useful way to manage your data consumption without having to carefully monitor every megabyte used. Once you've made your choice, your iCloud backups will now respect your cellular data preference. That's it. You can go about your day knowing that your backups will proceed according to the setting you've chosen. Remember, if your circumstances change, you can always revisit these settings to adjust as needed. If you travel frequently or find yourself with more Wi-Fi access than anticipated, you might want to revisit this setting to optimize how your phone uses data. This simple adjustment ensures your data is safely stored without surprise data charges. Stay tuned for more useful tips and thank you for watching.